In this episode of GearMatters, we're looking at 5 simple things that you can do to keep your riding gear in good condition. Remember to air dry your riding jacket and pant frequently. After every ride, allow it to dry in a shaded and well-ventilated space. This will keep your gear more fresh from one use to the next. Keep your riding gear clean. For the most part, a simple dusting and wipe down with a damp cloth should do the trick. Clean and lubricate zippers whenever they are visibly dirty or begin to feel a bit stiff. Dirt that accumulates in the zipper teeth can block zipper movement and cause damage. Use a soft brush to clean the primary zippers as well as those on the pockets, and then apply a light coating of wax or silicone grease to keep them functioning smoothly. You will periodically also need to wash your riding jacket and pants for a deeper cleanse. When done correctly, this will help refresh the materials and improve performance on your gear. Check the links in the description for a detailed video that will help you with instructions on how to go about this. Last but not the least, always make sure to handle all armors with care. Whether you're inserting or removing the armors from your riding gear or packing it for transport or storage or otherwise handling it, be mindful that it is not bent incorrectly, subject to significant pressure or placed against any sharp objects. Also ensure that the armor and your gear are always stored in a cool place away from direct sunlight and allowing for some ventilation.